Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 1967 Ford Galaxie 500 with the factory Hurst 4-speed and a 390 V8. Absolutely gorgeous. And it's the size of a land yacht, which is actually kind of where the term came from. We'll go ahead, step inside. All right.
You put the commercial right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool.
I wasn't gonna let this thing roll away, kidding me?
Go around with it. Come on.
I've done that before. But this is restored. Complete restoration of the car about 10-15 years ago or so. This thing's in absolutely awesome shape. You know what else is awesome is when traffic gives us a break.
Yeah, usually when you...
So this was kind of like a muscle car back in its day.
Yep.
Yep. Factory Hurst 4-speed shifter. What more can you want?
They made about 860.
That's it?
390 factory 4-speed. Yep.
Oh, that's right. You had the Marty report done, so you should know.
Yeah.
What a great day for this. Gorgeous weather.
Yeah.
It's so weird comparing, and obviously I'll compare the 67 Corvette to this after we're done this.
Yep.
Compared to the 62 Corvette, how different these cars drive.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, this car is, what, 33 years older than me.
Wow.
This thing, I'm young. I was gonna say the car is old, but it's really not.
Yeah, right. Well,
It's older.
67.
What a view. Quack, quack. Oh yeah.
And poor people live.
Yeah. Poor people compared to Bill Gates.
Yeah.
This is almost like Newport, Rhode Island, this kind of area.
Kinda, yeah.
I mean, Newport's on a next level, but
Yeah, yeah. Some surfers out there catching it.
oh yeah.
Yeah.
I very rarely actually see them out there, so. sitting out there?
Yeah. Getting ready to leave.
That's what you're doing.
Ducks all over.
Those pipes are absolutely perfect.
They're nice, yeah. I
Oh,
wouldn't change them.
good old Chevelle I see in there.
Oh yeah, yeah. I like them. I was never a big Chevelle guy. I like them. Gonna go down the fancy route.
Yeah, I'll go down this way.
Yeah. You know where you are? Or?
Yeah.
Oh.
Sorry. Oh, that's so fun.
I got a video of my first test drive down in Florida.
Yep.
I'll send it to you.
Oh, man. Well, Vinny, thanks for letting me take this thing out. I appreciate it. This is something really cool and special. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.